Hey everybody, this is Robin Taylor at Taylor Freelance. We were just going to take a moment here and go over quickly how you assemble Taylor Freelance +4 and +9 base pad onto a standard Canik mag. So Canik TP9 Elite Executive, standard 15 round Canik TP9 magazine, and a 7/64 Allen key. Remember that, you're going to, 7/64 is kind of an odd size, but that's what we ended up with on this design. When you go to take the base pad off, you need to push the little locking tab forward slightly as you take it off. So forward and in, and it will come off. If you go backward and in, it won't go. So forward and in, and off it comes. Take the base pad off, take the guts out, take the locking subfloor plate off. If you're using a +4 or +8, you'll want to keep it if you're using a +0. And then put the guts back together. And one thing that catches people sometimes is you want to back the screw out before you put it on. Otherwise here I'll show you. Otherwise it'll only go on most of the way. It'll go on, but it'll stop right there. And then I get phone calls from people asking me, what's wrong with my base pad? Well, nothing. Loosen the screw. So loosen the screw first. Put the guts back in. Squish the spring in with your thumb. You're going to have issues with this little tail end, so be careful as you start coming on. It's going to try and scratch the base pad or stab your thumb or various other things. And then you're going to hold down on the spring as you squish it in there. And then slide it in. Ta-da! Tighten the screw. And you're done. Ta-da! +4 extension installed. If you're doing a +8 extension, there's a couple extra little wrinkles. Take the Humpty Dumpty back apart again. Now you're going to take the follower off, which may require an extra tool, like this little screwdriver I'm getting out of my pocket. So that you can get the tail of the factory spring out of the follower, and you can take it off. Ours doesn't use that little hook. It just sets in here like this. Ta-da, that's it. It just sets on there. Now for the +9, we go through a similar process. Back the screw out enough that it's not going to hang up. Follower and spring into one side, the rest of the spring into the other side. Now we're going to take the two halves and wiggle them together. And this is a bit of a process a lot of times, but that went real easy this time, so we'll keep it. Tighten your screw. Done. Okay, that's it, folks. Robin Taylor at Taylor Freelance.